Good morning, everyone. First, I would like to thank Nucamp instructors, all three of them who taught JavaScript, React, and then React Native, and also entire Nucamp administration department who actually helped me learn so many new topics on this. The purpose of this project for honor roll is the healthcare web application. Mainly, the healthcare industry needs um, several applications to be built for doctors. Doctors are experts in their fields. However, when it comes to having the help to analyze all the images, the images that are captured like X-rays, retinas, they need a lot of technical help. This particular website actually brings all the technical expertise in the form of like a few companies, and then those companies actually service the doctors. In between, the services actually provide even the proxy services wherein they help the doctor sometimes they help the companies which actually build this AI-based image scanning technologies. So that's how this intermediate company makes. It's a fake company. So this is actually a test website. So I actually built this one using a React framework that I learned during Nucamp trainings. Based on my research, what I see here is, according to 2023 research, 350K web applications are in healthcare sector. 3.5% are built using React. That is about 12K applications. So that actually, I turned the existing project into a healthcare web application. And on top of it, I actually added Conviva's application tracking sensor SDK. Conviva is actually in application tracking business, wherein it actually tracks not only the web applications, iOS, Android, but many other applications that run on TVs, right from beginning of the application launch through the video journey till the end. And I actually integrated that sensor SDKs along with this project to study how users are using this one. During this process, I had to learn React, router, hooks, states, formic, and several other vanilla JavaScript concepts. The web page actually looks like this. This is actually a main page, home, directory, about, contact, and login. And these are the featured companies. These are promoted companies. These are partner companies. Similar concept. The assets are all changed and then borrowed for the newer website. Then this is actually the list of companies that this fictitious company partnered with. One is actually called Retina AI. Another one is called Brain Miner, Lunit X-ray, and then featured company. And the list of contacts for this intermediary company. And this is the directory view. Same way we have the page that actually gives you to add comments for individual companies. And we actually will go and then see how application tracking from Conviva helps us to see how many people came to this particular vendor for getting the service and how many people actually added comments about this particular vendor. If we look here, this is an about page. So nothing new here, similar to whatever we actually had previously in the Nucamp website app. That is the same thing, but with some modifications. Here, I actually added some way of tracking how many people sent the feedback, and so on and so forth. In this login, logout screen, I instrumented a video because Conviva also provides a video tracking. And for all of that, we actually have the video tracking as well. You can log out. You can find out when the user logged in, when the user logged out, and then what posts and users and comments that actually they received on JSON website. Typically, what I had to do was I had to integrate the application with Conviva's SDK using developing a React component. I could have done it even without doing the React component, just directly copying it, but that wouldn't look elegant because that also maintainability is a hard part. So I kind of developed this as a component that I learned in the class, and that actually worked out really well. So this is how I kind of integrated, and after that I planned out what buttons buttons are being pushed here: login button, play button, button clicks, link clicks, and pages. And then I decided to actually use Conviva's interval metric and conversion metric that says log in to log out. How did I actually capture the login and log out? I actually took the login button information, log out button information, and then created how long it took for the user to go from login to log out. Similarly, log in to play first video and log into send feedback. So these kind of metrics can be computed, and that's what I did. And we actually can see in one of the Conviva's dashboards. This dashboard is available in general for me, so I actually use this one. It talks about how many network requests came, what are the link clicks, what are the button clicks, what are the page views, login buttons, some mapping. And as you go, you can actually create the metrics using this. So there is a way to actually surface these things. So it actually is telling me that login to send feedback, it took 25 seconds. Login to send feedback conversion, everyone who logged in, 50% of them actually sent the feedback. Login to play first video, 33.3% of the people actually logged in and then played the video. So these kind of metrics are really, really helpful for the company to analyze the business and the outcomes. And these are all like some dashboards that are available in Conviva. So that was actually available here as well. So this is the snippet of the code, and this is actually the web page that is working right now. I could just click these buttons, go into login, and then enter this, and then enter this, and I can see all of this video playbacks, play video, and then you can play the videos, and then you can track that, and you can do users and all of this, and then go back to the home screen. These are actually tracked, and I wanted to show you the code snippet. This is similar to whatever we had on for Nucamp, but I added some more on top of it, like Conviva app integration layer, some login page that actually had the video tracking, and so on and so forth. Here, if we see the Conviva app tracking page, it looks like this. It's a simple instruction to track you need to set the user ID, track the page view, link view, button clicks, and so on and so forth. And once you get it, you just need to go back and then map saying, hey, take this button click to that other button click from login to log out, and compute how long it took for a user to log in to log out and how long did they spend the time. This was actually a very good learning experience for me. I had to learn definitely the React. I tried to learn it using by reading the book, and that was not effective. It needs a structure. I agree 100% with Nucamp. It actually, I was reading something that are not useful for general learning, but when the instructors taught me, I actually learned the overall structure and went deep into it, and gained a lot of comfort in being able to develop these things. So I would like to take a moment and thank Nucamp and all the instructors, and also the fellow students who actually worked with us in these projects. Thank you, and look forward to graduating. Thank you.